Alright, so let's see how this is going to do. I'm just trying to do something on this game. I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Let me switch my accounts. My chat open. First finishing, yay, okay. Will I check out my chat? There I am. We're live. I don't know if you can hear me though. It don't matter, I'm just messing around. I just wanted to open this up so I can check out the health. Alright, so okay, this item. What can I do? What are my options? So I could move it, I could rotate it, I could scale it, rect tool, or I could transform tool, edit bouncing volume, edit anchor transforms of the architecture. Yeah, I figure it's going to go to ouch real quick. Alright, so I think I want to try this tool. What is this tool? This dude. It looks like I can change things by probably dragging things. Okay, cool. So, nice. What's this do? Okay. Well, can I just delete that? Yeah. Main camera right there. Well, I guess the first thing would be to do what do I want to do in here? Upgrade, no, my account, maybe, manage services, registry, my assets, do I have any assets? Check my sound. Upgrade, no, my account, maybe, manage services. Alright, so fetching assets still, getting nothing. I think I need to go to the other microphone. Alright, let's try it this way. If I do this microphone, it should be better. Okay, yeah, that should be better sound anyway. And what else do we got? There are no assets. I knew that. No assets for you. Built-in assets, yeah. Ooh, there's built-in stuff. Okay. What's all this? AI. Unity Research Technologies Incorporated is disabled. Document. AI document implements the pathfinding features in Unity. Pathfinding features in Unity. It's disabled. What's this? See, for really Android JNI is disabled. Form Unity Registry by Unity Technologies. Document description. Android module allows you to call Java code. Okay, what's this? Animation. from Unity Registry by Unity Technologies. It's got documentation, description, animation system. Does that mean it's already active, right? These are already active. I would have to disable them if I didn't want them. Okay, asset bundle disabled. Okay, documentation. Okay, so these must be all the tools that are in this package. Audio, okay. I don't know what I'm looking at specifically. I mean, okay. Close. Over here, package manager. Okay. So say I want some audio. I can do view package. Do I have to do it over here? View package manager. Okay, so close. It changes over here. A director module implements playable class. Okay. Image conversion. What am I looking at here? What is this package manager? What in the world am I don't even know what I can do with this program. There's a lot here, but okay, let me just start over. Let me see. What do you got? What am I even able to do with this program? All materials, favorite scenes, a sample, scene assets. Let me see. I open it here. Do you want to save the changes made to your scenes? Okay, yeah, sure. Save. Why not? It must be closing my project and opening a different one. Can I make this? I guess it doesn't matter. I still don't know what I can publish in this or not. See, 2D, draw mode. Okay, display in a scene. Okay, so shaded, wide frame, renders, alpha channel, override, sprite, mask, deferred, contributors, receivers, global illumination, baked, light, directionally, masks, overlap. Okay, and lighting, right on, got ya. Shading and stuff. Okay. Hey Jess, sorry about the lag. My internet is poor. This is a program called Unity. And I'm just trying to do something here on it. And I'm a noob at it. And I don't really know what I can do or should do in it. Like, what is my options? How big is this place? I mean, my goodness, look at how big that map is. Monstrous. So I really don't know what I'm allowed to do in this, or, you know, like people make video games with this stuff. You could do a scene, or you could make a game. And that's the in the game look. That's what you're looking at, I guess, in the game. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, I'm still looking. No idea what I'm doing yet. Let's see, scene, display. Okay, so in the scene, maybe how it looks in the game. Let me see, is there any tutorials in this thing, or are you just supposed to go Unity version control? There's a package thing. I checked this out, but it doesn't really do anything for me. Like, it doesn't tell me anything. Lobby. Hey, what's up, MMA? Package. I have no idea what this program's for, but people were talking about it like, okay, so enable players to find, create, and join lobbies with Lobby. Add Lobby to your multiplayer game to empower players to create the gaming experience they want. Features include quick join, public library, private match to allow the flexibility in how players want to game with each other. Not even sure what I am looking at half the time with this. Like, where do you put the games? What is these tools for specifically? And what? Okay, so what am I doing here? I have no idea. Build animation, analytics. I mean, so you make video games with this, but I'm not really sure exactly. Like, it's all kinds of stuff that you can install, I guess. No idea if there's any kind of tutorial. I've been looking around trying to check this out for a while, but it's kind of like, okay, maybe go up here to the help. Okay, about Unity manual, maybe. You learn Unity services, Unity forum, Unity discussion, feedback. Check for updates, download beta, manage license. Okay, so I probably should try to go to this about Unity first. Okay, so Unity scripting powered by Mono Project 2011, novel incorporated Mono physics powered by physics 2018, NVIDIA Corporation Physics by NVIDIA 2023, Unity Technologies beta users, license type Unity personal, iOS, Android. And there's numbers I probably shouldn't be sharing, but I have no idea what I'm doing. See, this is like really, okay, Unity manual. That's probably got me hacked by these people. And I have no idea what this is. How do you want to open this file? I don't even know what the file is, so I don't even want to open it, so I'll pass. Unity scripting reference. Nope, I don't want to open up anything like that. How about this? Don't you have anything in the game? You know, or do I always have to open up a browser and go to outside the game? What's up with that? What is this? I got pop-ups everywhere. See, this is what makes me not want to get into this stuff, is because of all these pop-ups. I can't even just learn the game from within the game. Get 750 hours of on-demand live learning resources to help you bring your vision to life. Okay, well, I'm wondering what I can do not wanting to bring a vision to life. I mean, what's the end result here? Why do I want to use your product, for one? I mean, I bought games before. I'm good. I don't see the point, you know? I mean, if I could actually build something that I could share with people and they could get into it, then maybe. But if I don't even know what platforms they put this stuff on. No idea. Like, is this go on computers or on phones? Probably all of them. I mean, how complicated is it? What can you do with it? So they have tutorials. Do I want to spend umpteen hours? Well, they have Lego stuff, platformer, micro games. So I don't even play micro games. I want like they said something about multiplayer, but if I can't get people to come in and chat and talk and have fun and I want some kind of I don't even know if this program can do what I want it to do. So I don't know if I want to get too deep into this. Like, do I want to work for a company for free and make them money? Oh, here, I'm going to make a game for you, like in these other games that they have you. Here, we'll just let them make the game. We'll just give them the tool set. And where do these go? What's this for? I'm sure somebody's making money off of it, but it ain't going to be for like everyone. Maybe if I could make a game and make money off of it, then I'd put like the effort into it. But I don't even know if that's possible on this game. This, whatever this is. It's supposed to be. But if the learning curve is too much and it's like getting into a trade where there's already too many people in it. Like everybody's going in to be social worker now, so you're going to have 1 million social workers out there looking for the 10,000 social worker jobs, or something like that. Like, yeah, there's jobs scripting and doing this stuff, but there's only 2,000 jobs, and there's like 200,000 people training for it, and so really, I don't know if there's a demand for this. I mean, I'm sure it is for the people that got this website. I'm sure they're making money. But I'm not seeing anything that's like, okay, why am I going to make a game? What's the point? What can I do with it? Step-by-step tutorial. So making a game just as in like an empty project where I'm spending hundreds of hours into it? Or can I actually do something with this? Is it going to have any benefit other than a waste of time? That's what I want to know. I mean, what do you got? What's your chances? Yeah, I've got an account already. I don't want to sign in right now, though. Learn from the experts. Why? Real world go get live access to Unity experts and fellow creators to ask questions, get tips, work through real world projects, join an upcoming live learning session, watch recordings from past. So I guess I just want to know what the frickin' point of building a game is on this, with this program. Like, why are they doing it? It's just to have fun together. It's just a bunch of people having fun together. I don't understand. What version of Unity? I created a Unity project. How I need to complete the tutorial? What should I do? Looking for kind of project. How do I view? I have no idea what in the heck. Start what? So, yeah, I just really don't understand what the point of any of this going through these courses are, or using this program. Like, maybe if I knew somebody else that was using it and knew why or what the point of it was. But since I don't play games like that, I don't even know what's available. Okay, so Unity Essentials, you can learn how to get started. That's it. It's okay. Junior Programmer, 0 to job ready. Ready to code? This guided learning path will take you from 0 to job ready. Job ready? VR development. This guide learning pathway will prepare you for a job in VR industry. 6 weeks. It's a 6-week course. This is a mobile AR development. Ready to create AR experiences in this learning path? You'll need AR apps compatible with iOS and Android devices. Okay. So there's more stuff. What's all that? Okay, so you can make animation, art, audio, cameras, design, lighting, modeling, objects, components, optimization, project management, project setup and settings, and publishing and rendering pipelines and Unity service. I mean, I guess I could probably do a intro for the coffee house with the program like this. Maybe I could learn it to do an intro, because I don't think I'd ever use it, so I'd probably spend 100 hours doing this and never do anything else with it. So I'm not sure if I want to spend any time trying to learn this program, because I don't think that I'd ever get anywhere with it, honestly. I don't see anything that I would ever use this for. Even though I love video games, I don't think that I could do anything with it. You know, like, do I want to spend 6 weeks learning how to do something that I'll never do again? Like, maybe getting into mobile games or something. It's like, I don't even play mobile games. So, really, I'm not sure, I guess, for educators, whatever that means. Animation, I'm not much into cartoons. Art, I mean, I like art, but I mean, I could probably do some art with it. That'd be cool, I guess. I mean, just mundane stuff to pass the time, I suppose. That's what I look at art as. It's like, it's not the highest expression. I think that's just like art and stuff like that is more like relaxing when you're not really trying. Kind of art is more like a way to let go. It isn't a way to exercise a lot of effort. You know, you're not putting effort into art. Your art should be relaxed, I would think. Like, strenuous art would be weird. I think that would defeat the purpose of art myself. Audio. I mean, my hearing's bad, so that doesn't help. Cameras, I don't really have a good camera anyway, so I'm not real picky anyway, either modeling, like building stuff, but that's the same as art, sort of. Project setup, settings, publishing, rendering, Unity service, visualization. I mean, I know you can make games and cool stuff. Like, I would do that. Would be pretty neat. Getting started with a game So they make you can make games. I got a game like this on the PlayStation. It's called Dreams. In Dreams, you have a tool set, and then you get to build, and they have competitions. So they probably give each other a lot of money, back and forth as they, there's like probably a dozen people that are making money at this and at Unity or something that are the devs that are soaking everything that they can from YouTube videos about their projects or whatever. I don't know. I mean, you only see 382 comments on it, 82 clicks. This only has 270, so it doesn't look like a huge projects, small groups of people, maybe their friends and their families. And so I'm not sure what kind of scale this program is for Unity and how I could actually benefit from it. Welcome to Unity. Like 750 hours of stuff. Like I really want to spend that much time studying stuff to earn badges and track my progress. I wouldn't doubt it. They'd, end up 2 weeks here, 12 weeks here, 10 weeks here, 6 weeks here, 8 weeks there. That's like a lot of weeks, man. 24, 38 weeks. 38 weeks. 38 weeks divided by what? 4 would be what? 9 months? 10 months? If you took a minute off. Not much, Glacier Shark. I was checking out this program, Unity, to see if I could do anything with it. Log in or sign up. So I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this program or what I can do with it. Unable to exchange, no such, I don't have my email or something, I guess. So I have to figure out how to log in and do stuff to now. They logged me out, I guess. Or it logged out automatically. Build and run, building settings, save project, open the scene. You can edit, play, pause. I haven't done anything in it yet. But you can create stuff, so you can make scripts. You can make 2D material animations. You can do text on the screen, audio mixer, animations, controls, avatars, timeline, signals, GUIs, which is graphics user interface. So GUIs are things that you can like paste, I guess. Yeah, I'm into building in the computer stuff. Like I downloaded another program called Blender. My cousin is into this, but he's always changing his number. And I can't ever seem to get a hold of him. He's like one of those kind of people that he'll only call you. You can't call him, I guess. Like, he'll change his number after he calls you. It's like, I got a new number now. It's like, every time I talk to you, you got a new number. It's like, yep. So I honestly don't know what I'm doing with this program yet. I'm just looking around and trying stuff. And I figured I'd go live and that way I could hang out. But I was trying to play on building in Roblox, but in Roblox the game crashed on me. It's another dud. I keep getting these games and these building games that are supposed to be cool that everyone talks about. But when I go and try to work on them, they don't work. It's like you gotta, like, I don't know, they're never set up to work. You always have to do something to make the stuff actually work. It never works right out of the box. Some assembly required. Like, oh, you have to go into your settings, and in your settings, see right here, building settings. I didn't even look at any videos on this, but I assumed that they would probably be this. It's like, you have to go into your settings, and you're going to set what you're going to build. So if I wanted to make an Android game or a PS5 game, so I could make a game for like the PS5, or I could make a game for an Android or something. Yeah, I could make a iOS, which is like a movies stuff, dedicated server here. I could actually make my own server so that if I have a website, right, or I could, if I had an IP address that I could host a server and have my own dedicated server, I could build a game, put a post on, and then people could come in and I could be like, have our own server, if you know what that means. That's like a YouTube or like TikTok or like Facebook as a server. These kind of places are servers. So if you have a dedicated server, which means that you could play, you know how Facebook has games or YouTube has ads, you know, all these different things. Well, those are like your web pages, like a WebGL or whatever. You know, all these different things. And then you could start to, like, let's see, what else do they have? Experimental Vision OS, so they're getting into the virtual reality. A universal Windows platform, or TSO TVOS. You could put something just for like say a choose your own adventure game. They don't have the Xbox in there, but you could do an Android. So yeah, I was just looking. I need coffee and stuff. I'm just checking this out real quick. Let's see. You can go into project settings after you figure that out and change more. I was looking at that a little bit earlier. I was looking under the help, and they have discussions and forums and services and schools, and I just want to know, is this going to be worth it? You could do for check updates and softwares, and let's see, what else do we have? You can do audio mixer. I don't have any audio, but you can actually make music on this. I don't have anything downloaded, and I don't know how to get it yet because I haven't got that far. See, none of this is downloaded. You got to go and download stuff a lot. This is pretty much my first time messing with it a little bit. Like, I could do things like, say, build stuff. You could actually build items and stuff in here, and I'm fairly familiar with this kind of thing. Let's see if I can find an object to lay down. You go to your assets, probably re-import all, extract, generate lighting. Create an empty child. Empty child, whatever that is, I don't know. It's add component, wherever that went. It's a game object. It's any game object, as a matter of fact. So you could add filters, audio source, listener, like probably to put a microphone in, or trigger, distortion filters. Let me see. We'll just add a source. What can I do with the source? I don't know. And you can move it. So I can see it off the ground, I suppose, and then we'll rotate it. No, not like that. I'm trying to get the green part to... Okay, it's always going to be at a distance from me, I suppose. Trying to get it to turn so I can face it, but I don't know. Play on awake, play effects. So you could get you don't have a clip, so then I could probably do something like loop it. Yeah, you can loop it. You can, I don't know where I'm supposed to get a clip from. From the scene, I don't know. Number of hidden packages, I have no idea. How do I get sound in here? I'd probably have to have it pre-recorded and then download it, like the audio clip, somehow get it in here. Under properties, maybe? Anyway, I don't know. I'm still learning. Oh, here's a question mark. Oh, see, I don't even open those clips, you know, like going into stuff. I have no idea. I'm just messing. Like, I could probably put a recorder on here, play a song, and then put it in a situation, like play music in a game in a server by capturing it or whatever in various ways. Snipping tools. Okay. What you got up here? Grid snaps and stuff. Got it. Okay. And global or whatever. Got it. Turn off or on the lights. Sounds. 2D. No, thank you. What's this? Draw mode. You can actually draw. I was looking to be able to put items in there. I don't know. I don't see any camera. That's your view as the person in the game or whatnot. Okay. What's this? All right. Services, Explorer. I'm not going to log in, so I'm just checking some things. Okay, now it's working. The sound. Okay. So I must have loaded some stuff this time finally. Box collider, physics, terrain. So you can start building things like, okay, let's try the terrain. How do I build with this? Where? Not inspector. Council. It's down here. Close that. Yeah, there. Yeah, add component. I tried this already. It didn't work. Box collider. I did this once right there. So then I can make it, scale it, right? And then, okay. Then what? Enter? No? Alright. So then you make a box, then you can make the, oh, that's the whole land. I'm changing the grid. It's not what I meant to do, but okay. It's like, whatever. I mean, I thought I was on the item that I made. It's a lot of program. There's a lot of program to this, so I was trying to change things and do stuff. Mesh collider here, convex, and then it just made it bigger. Yeah, default material. Can I edit that? Thank you. What? No, I don't want to look at the code. I'm trying to look at whatever. Go away. I can't get that to listen to me. Alright, well. What's this thing right here? What we're gonna do? What is this? What do you do here? Oh, volume. Okay, so there's my sound. Yeah, okay. Well, okay, project. Scenes. Assets, got ya. Okay, assets. Okay, so I was at the sample scene. I want to open project. Yeah, this one's the one that I was working on here. Oh, open it. Close that. Close that. I'm getting too many open. I'm going to end up crashing my computer with 5 or 6 open. Got it. It's not now. I just closed it. I haven't been doing anything in the project. I'm just trying to learn the program right now and what my options are. I don't know what Unity can do. Am I on about Blender? Oh, this isn't Blender. This is Unity. This is Blender. Hold on. I'm on Unity, not Blender. I don't know why I titled my video Blender. Blender's a different one. You can use Blender and put projects that you make into, like, I thought I titled this for Unity, not Blender. What did I do with my title? Thought for sure that I was going to talk about, yeah, whatever. Continue. Why? I'm good. I just want to close that. How do I get out of this? Yeah, recover last session. Thank you. This program's even more complicated. But I'm not really sure how to work some of these, so how do I get that? There we go. And lighting. It's dark. Scale. Ruler. No idea. How to make it brighter. I don't know. Another program that I don't know. Probably have to take a tutorial and don't know if I want to spend that much time learning a program. For what reason, you know? Probably no benefit to me to learn this kind of thing. I can't even see anything. It's just a black screen. Half the time, these things, I don't know what to do with them anyway. I'll try it again some other time, I suppose. I mean, I have people that I know that know what they're doing, but they don't share this kind of knowledge. They're like, no. Because then if you do it, then I won't be able to, kind of thing. Or whatever, I don't know what it means. Like, because if everybody knows how, it's like recycling. Well, if you tell everybody, then it won't be worth as much. I'd have to take a lot of classes for this. Scripting, and I don't even know what the point of it would be for me. Sculpting, modeling, I mean, I'm too old to even probably get into this anyway. I mean, these people probably raise their kids in this game. It's like, this is where you're going to make your money off all those suckers out there that'll play video games. And then you get like a dozen families that make video games, and they're like, haha. I don't know. I don't know many people that make video games that are social, that share that. Maybe my circle of friends aren't into making video games. I don't know. I just don't know what to do with this stuff anyway, or the benefit. I will get into it eventually. I just don't even know what I'm moving. I'm moving something. I was trying to make it brighter, just so I can see something, anything. And so whenever I use my mouse, it just moves up and down. I just wanted to make it brighter. Uh-oh. Okay, so you can grab those and move it. All right. And then I don't know what that is. But you can move that too. There's something there. A box. I'm moving a box around. If only I knew what my options were. Like, what's the point in using this program in the first place? Splash screens. About Blender, probably gonna install application template system. They were using this to make characters in a game. Sculpting. video editing, rendering, video editing, so you can do video editing in Blender. Okay. Video editing in Blender. Okay. Using my mouse and it just squeegees stuff down to nothing. I really don't know what that's supposed to be doing, but it's cool looking. Okay, so video editing. I'm not really sure exactly, probably in-game cutscene video editing rather than editing a video for like YouTube is just, I'm confused, but okay. Texture, data, objects, properties, constraints, physics, and an object, and scripting. Okay, so scripting, geometry, nodes, no, compositing something, rendering, animation, shading, I'm not even sure. Blender's got a huge amount of programs here. It'd be a lot easier to do this with a little bit of, I guess, if there was anything that was a little bit explanatory, then I could get somewhere with it. But I have no idea what most of this stuff is. Like, what? I try to click on stuff and it does nothing. So I'm not really sure sometimes what it is I'm looking at yet. I'm still trying to get orientated to what the program can do. Texture paint. Okay. I'm familiar with the paint tools. Smear, clone, fill, mask, stuff like that. Okay. So say I wanted to smear stuff, I don't even have an object though. I mean, you got to have something to start with. I don't even know what I can or want to do with this yet. This is the box unfolded, I suppose, and you can do stuff with it. UV editing, sculpting, molding, layout. So these are all different types of things that you can do with that one specific object, it looks like. And so maybe what you do is you're taking one item in here, whatever it may be, one something, whether it be a character, and you make a character, personage of something, an image, and then you work out the image and how you want it to look, how you want it to behave, and then I guess once you get all that going, like if you wanted to do a scene where the animation happens, and it's like your cutscene or a little character. So a lot of people are doing this for their graphics, is using this Blender, I believe, and Photoshop. Nah, I ain't gonna save nothing. Okay, I'm done. That's it. I just wanted to mess around with that for a while. It didn't go as planned, but